All right, okay, this is attempt number 5 with voice, hopefully, math module 4, lesson 15, 5th grade. All right, so we're going to divide just like we did last time. How are we going to know what to divide, when to divide? Well, we start off with the one on the right, kind of color-coded for you. There's 5 here. We are going to divide this into fifths. Now we have 5 sections. We're going to shade in 4. All right, and then we divide the other way. Again, we're going to use 5. I'm going all the way, but then I'm dashing on the last part because those parts are not shaded. We're just really looking for the parts that are shaded and double shaded. Here we're going to see that there's 2 double shaded. Okay, so if we go across and multiply, we know 2 times 4 is 8 and 5 times 5 is 25. And we will see that there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 that are double shaded in. And the whole thing is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 of them total. All right. Now we can't group these in any way. There's no relationship between the 4 and the 5, or the 5 and the 2. So we're just going to leave it. That's your final answer. Over here, we're going to divide first by 4. All right, so we're going to divide them into fourths. And we're going to shade in 3 of them. 3 of them are going to be shaded in. That because they're right here, it's 3. All right, and then we're going to do 4 across, or 5 across. Sorry about that announcement. 5, Y5, right there. Okay, and then we're going to shade 4 of those in. So we see this cross hatching happening in just this part right in the middle, well, not in the middle, right here. And there's a total of 12 out of 20. Okay, we can divide these into groups of 4. Okay, and there is 1, 2, 3 of them that are shaded in out of 5. So this is also equal to 3/5. You can see the relationship also with the 4/5 times the 3/4 because these two are the same. We can cancel them out and you see that there's 3/5. 5 times 1, 4 times 3. Okay, for those of you that want to see it again, we can do the switch where I'm changing the numerators. That one's going over there, that one's going over there. Okay, and you see that, oops, sorry. This is supposed to be, I'm trying to go fast because there's open house today. A 4 there. Okay, so this is equal to 3/5 times 1, which equals 3/5. All right, another example. Here we have 2 examples. I already see the relationship, the 4s again. 3s and 5, there's nothing. I can cancel out, we don't have to draw anything. So we have 3/5. Some of you might want to do the 12/20s and then divide by 4. And you'll get 3/5 as well. Why 4? Well, you already can see that 4 is a multiple of 12 and 4 is a multiple of 20. So you can divide both of them by 4. Okay? Now on this side over here, we see a relationship both ways. So I'm going to cross cancel here. 3 goes into 6 2 times. And 5 goes into 10 twice. Oops. I'm trying to go too fast here. All right. And that gives us 1/4. Those of you that want to do it the other way, it's 15/60. You just have to know that you divide by 15. Now, there's no 15 up here, so how do you know? Well, how do you know it's 15? You don't. So you just have to know your own multiplications, that 4 times 15 equals 60, and 1 times 15 equals 15. So you can divide by 15, and that will get you 1/4. Okay, right here, I don't see any relationship between the 5 and the 6 or the 5 and the 8. So we have 25/48, final answer. All right, there's no relationship, so we don't have to cancel. Oops, that should be 48, excuse me. I did say 48, I just didn't write 48. So that's not the final answer, this is the final answer. All right, if it was 45, there would be a way of doing it, but there's not. So it's 25/48. I'm sorry I'm going so fast, but I'm running out of time. Okay, I see no relationship this way, but a relationship this way. 3 goes into 9 3 times, and into 3 1 time. So I have 2 21s. Now again, we can go ahead and do the 12/63s. And this time, we're going to divide by 3. Oops, no, sorry. We do divide by 3. Oh, we're supposed to divide by 6. Oh, I did something wrong? No? What happened here? All right, I'm going too fast. I need to slow down. This right here should be a 6. Because 3 times 2 equals 6. All right, now we can divide by 3. And we'll get 2 and 21. All right, last problem. I'm going to help you with the word problem. First, we have a container that's 1 liter. Okay, 1 liter. And she drinks 1/4 before school. And then she drinks 2/3. And this is before lunch. And then it asks you, how much does she drink of the whole thing before lunch, but after school begins? I think it says, let's see, before lunch, before school starts. Okay, what fraction of the bottle does Haley drink after school starts, but before lunch? Okay, hopefully you see the answer right there. Hopefully this is helpful. Hopefully this recorded this.